In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a welcome email automation in Campaign Monitor. We'll build a simple journey that automatically welcomes every new subscriber, so you make a great first impression without lifting a finger. Start by opening your browser and searching for Campaign Monitor. Click the official result to head to the homepage, then log into your account. If you manage multiple brands, make sure you're in the correct client or workspace before continuing. At the top navigation, select Automation. This is where all of your journeys live. Click Create a new journey, then choose Custom Journey. Custom gives you full control over what triggers the journey and what happens next. Give your journey a clear name, like Welcome Series, so your team recognizes its purpose later. Select the subscriber list this journey should use. Pick the list where new signups are added. Using the wrong list means people won't enter the journey. Set the trigger to subscriber joins the list. This tells Campaign Monitor to enroll people the moment they subscribe, whether through a form or your API. Note that most journeys only capture subscribers who join after the journey is turned on, so set the trigger correctly now to avoid confusion later. Below the trigger, click the plus button and choose Email. This will be your actual welcome message. You can start from a pre-built template or open the drag and drop builder. Keep it friendly and concise. Confirm the sign-up, highlight one main benefit, and include a single, clear call to action. Add branding, a recognizable from name, and a strong subject line. Personalize when possible, for example, using a first name field, then preview the message on both desktop and mobile to check spacing, images, and links. If you want the email to send right away, place the email step directly after the trigger. That's the classic instant welcome. If you prefer a short pause, add a delay step before the email, such as 1 day, so subscribers have time to explore before you reach out again. When everything looks good, review your journey summary, confirm the correct list and timing, and then click Turn on Journey in the top right corner. Your automation is now live, and every new subscriber will receive your welcome email automatically. That's it. You've created a clean, reliable welcome automation in Campaign Monitor. Keep an eye on open and click rates over time, and refine your subject line and content as you learn what resonates.